Welcome back to Chitteron. Today I'm going to be working on the '06 Ford Focus, and I got a blower motor that is gone. This is not the first time I've done this, not on this particular car, but on another Focus. And one of the things that I have discovered is once I've replaced the motor, shortly after I had to replace the blower resistor. So one of my recommendations to you is if you're going to replace the blower motor, go ahead and replace the blower resistor as well. Reason being is because when the blower motor goes, there's nothing to cool this down because this is in the same chamber as the fan, and it kind of cools it down, and this may have a tendency to heat up and burn out. It's not that much more money to replace that, so I would recommend replacing them both. So there's not a whole lot of room underneath the dash to do this and try to show you, so I'm going to do the best I can to explain how to do this. Very simple. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, normally what would be happening is I'd be on that side of the vehicle doing this job, but I want to make sure that you get a good shot of this, so I'm kind of leaned over the driver's side. First thing you need to do is pop the glove compartment down. On either side of the glove compartment there's these little rubber grommets that are kind of holding it up there. You just need to pull those back on either side like that and drop the glove compartment down. And that's going to reveal the blower resistor down in the back, and it's going to also reveal the little bracket here that we need to remove. So the first thing we need to do is remove this 5/16 bolt, and what's happening is it's deflecting the air from here over down to your feet, so that needs to go first. Let's go ahead and remove that. I'm using the 5/16 Kobalt ratchet. Go ahead and close the glove compartment back up. Okay, so once you've done that, it loosened up this little deflector here. Now, you need to pull that out of there, and usually that's a little bit easier when you're on the passenger side, but where I've got the camera in my way, it's going to prove to be a little bit more difficult, but just kind of get it out of there. Just work it out of there one way or another. Okay, there it is. Set that off to the side. So if you were to stand on your head, this is basically what you'd see. You have a bolt here, and one down here, 5/16. First thing we need to do is remove the power source. You might have to put a screwdriver in there just to get a hold of the tab. And trust me, this is a little bit easier when you don't have a camera in your way. Get that out of the way, and then you're going to go ahead and take your 5/16 bolts out of each one here. There's 3 of them. Now while you got the fan out of there, this is a good time to kind of take a peek up there and make sure there's nothing in there. So now I'm going to replace the blower resistor. It doesn't matter that the fan is out. It doesn't really give you that much more room, but it's going to be a lot easier to get to the blower resistor from this location. So let's go ahead and get that over with. Pull the connection out of there. And that too is also a 5/16 bolt. Pop that out of there. Alright, let's go ahead and put your new one in. Okay, let's go ahead and take our new one. And let's just reverse the process. There she is. Nice brand new blower motor. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, go ahead and plug your power back in. Alright, now we need to get this piece back in, and goes something like that. Just kind of push it up in there like that. Alright, well, while I'm trying to wrestle that in, let's head on over to Amazon. And one of the things I wanted to show you that I haven't shown you last video is when I'm ordering things off from Amazon, especially if it's automotive, I changed my search up here. So instead of all departments, I'll go down to automotive and parts and accessories. And it kind of narrows it down a little bit better for me. So blower motor for the 2006 Ford Focus. So kind of scroll down, and here it is right here, 2000 to 2007 Ford Focus. So go ahead and click on that. And then right up here on the left-hand side, again, it tells you that this does fit your 06 Ford Focus, and gives you some more information down here. So if we go back real quick here, you'll also see, and again, you don't have to get this, I chose to, but for 13 bucks, you can go ahead and you can get the blower resistor. And again, it tells you right here what it will fit, and again, right up in here, it says that this does fit your Ford Focus. So other than that, that's pretty much all you need to know. Again, I buy a lot of my stuff from Amazon, and it works out pretty good. All right, let's go back and see how I'm working out on the old air duct. And there we go. Put the screw that holds it in. There's the little tab, and just put that 5/16 bolt back in. Alright, let's go ahead and try it. Oh yeah. Working like a champ. All the speeds. Alright, so again, I did not have to change the blower resistor. This one was probably fine, but I had smelt it starting to burn up a little bit when the blower motor stopped working. So it's better off just to replace the both of them. I've been in this situation once before where I just replaced the blower motor, and then shortly after the blower resistor went. So just replace them both. You saw what I did with the mirror. I used the mirror so I could kind of see up underneath, and also to give you a view of what was going on. A little tricky trying to get this filmed with the mirror in this way, but came out pretty good. So there it is. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.